In the heart of the lush and colorful nature, a wonderful plant grows freely, offering its benefits to those who discover it. Its shiny leaves capture the sunlight, revealing unsuspected richness. For centuries it has been coveted for its virtues and cherished for its generosity, but despite all its wealth it is still unknown to many people. It grows so easily everywhere that people who do not know it destroy it and remove it from their gardens, mistakenly believing it to be a weed. This plant, with its distant origins, holds a treasure trove of essential nutrients. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, it is the perfect ally for radiant health. Its precious leaves are full of omega-3 fatty acids, strengthening the immune system and soothing inflammation. But that's not all, as it is also an abundant source of minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and iron, offering vital support for the body. Due to its high antioxidant content, it is considered a beneficial food for cardiovascular health and the prevention of certain diseases. Its use in cooking is as diverse as it is surprising. Purslane, as it is called, offers remarkable versatility. Its fleshy and juicy leaves bring a crunchy and fresh touch to salads, as well as sandwiches and side dishes. Its delicate and slightly lemony flavor will delight your taste buds. Furthermore, it can be steamed, sautéed, or added to soups and stews to bring a delicate flavor. Blended into a smoothie, it will boost your energy and delight your senses. And if you dare to experience it, its small crunchy seeds will add a touch of magic to your dishes. If you have been captivated by the discovery of this fascinating plant, and if you enjoy this type of content, click on the like button of this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will greatly encourage me to continue making videos like this one. Easy to cultivate, Purslane thrives in gardens and vegetable gardens, offering its natural beauty and limitless generosity. Its small flowers brighten up spaces with their radiance, while its tender leaves lend themselves to all culinary desires. A plant of such simplicity yet of such richness deserves to be discovered and appreciated at its true value. Thus, in the whirlwind of botanical discoveries, Purslane reveals itself as a shooting star, bringing with it an array of benefits and unsuspected delights. Purslane, a plant of dazzling beauty, unparalleled generosity, and enchanting simplicity. Purslane, also known as Portulaca oleracea, is a truly fascinating plant that deserves to be discovered. Its history dates back to antiquity, where it was already consumed by the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans for its nutritional benefits. Imagine savoring a plant that has traversed the ages and continues to be appreciated for its culinary value and health benefits. It is a plant that evokes history, tradition, and ancient wisdom, a plant that deserves to be celebrated and explored. Do you like this video? Watch this other video by Nicole Apelian that teaches you how to create a completely natural pharmacy in your garden. To watch it, simply click on the link in the description. Cultivating Purslane is remarkably simple, making it an ideal choice for gardeners, whether they are novice or experienced. In fact, anyone can easily grow this magnificent plant. It thrives in varied conditions ranging from full sun to partial shade, and it adapts well to different types of soil. Discovering the simplicity of its cultivation, you cannot help but fall under the spell of this amazing plant. If you want to grow Purslane at home, you can find common Purslane seeds online by searching for common Purslane seeds, or in gardening stores where you can ask for common Purslane or common Purslane seeds. Tell me in the comments if you were already familiar with this plant. If you want to learn how to create your completely natural pharmacy in your garden, I'll let you click on the link in the description to watch the video. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next video.